How to install the Rust programming language on Linux. I am using Manjaro, the flavor of Linux right now. It's my favorite. But this is going to be the same for pretty much any flavor. You should be able to use this method to install Rust. That goes for Ubuntu, Debian, Arch, any of them really, Mint. So what you do is just go to rustup.rs website, and it's going to detect your operating system. You can see here it says you appear to be running Unix, which is Linux is just basically Unix. You just copy the text it gives you, open up a terminal, paste in the text, hit enter, and let it rip. Downloads a little bit of an installer, and then it'll give us some options on how we want to proceed. So we're just going to choose proceed with installation default, which is 1. The default is fine. You can see what it's doing here. It tells you what options it's setting up. It's easy to do it this way. And there we have it. Rust is installed now. Great. So we can test that. We can do create a project or a test site or a test project. I don't know why I called it a site. Whatever. So test proj. All right, so it created it. We'll go into our test project folder, and then we'll run cargo run, and it should run our program, which when you just create a new cargo program, it should just give us a hello world. So we'll see here. It'll take a second to compile. All right, and there we have it, hello world. So it looks like we're all good. That's how you install Rust on Linux.